We have now created 2 pages of reports and we are going to create the third one, but let us take some time to quickly interact with the 2 pages of reports that we have created so far. So with our 2 pages of reports, we do have slicers that we can use to change the context of the report per year, and we will always have a year selected at every point in time within the report. So the reports will always be within the context of one year or the other. But we'll also have slicers for region and category. For those 2 slicers, we may decide to show for all regions and to show for all categories, but then we can also go into the regions and the categories to pick any region and any category. So we have this for the 2 pages of reports that we have created so far. We also made sure that we synced the slicers for the 2 pages of reports that we have. Then we infuse some functionalities on the pages of reports. So for the periodic report, we want to be able to drill through to the locations report, so that yes, we are going to be looking at the locations report, but we want to look at the locations report in the perspective of a current month that we are going to drill through from. So I can drill through from the month of June by right clicking on the month of June, and I'm going to go to drill through, and I'll drill through to the locations report page. Now, when I land on a locations report page, I can use the arrow back button, which is placed right here. If I like, I could remove it from this place and I could put it in a different location, but I'm just going to leave it here like this. Then I can use control back arrow to always go back to my periodic reports page and continue my visualization and my interaction with that report page. Then on the locations report, we have also added one functionality apart from the slicing and dicing that we have on the left hand side panel. You can hover on the top 10 states and you can have an idea regarding the market shares of the customer segments in each of the top 10 states that we have. So once you just hover, you get to see the market share for that particular state. And now finally, we are going to create our last report page. Now this last report page is going to leverage some advanced visualizations that we have in Power BI that generate more insights for users. So I will go to my temp page as usual, which is my templates page, and I'm going to right click on this page and I'm going to use this to duplicate. Then I'm going to rename this page. I'm just going to call this advanced analysis. Then for this page in particular, I don't really want to make use of slicers on this page, so I'm just going to remove this slicer, and I'm also going to remove the navigation panel since I don't have slicers there. Then my title, I need to take this title to the extreme left hand side and I need to rename it. So I'm going to go to the beginning of the text and I'm going to type advanced sales. Maybe I'm going to call this exploration and analysis. Then I'm going to expand this and basically just delete the remainder of the text that was there before. Then I'm going to take this highlights to the left hand side, also to the extreme end, and I'm also going to expand it to the extreme right hand side. And then we are ready to start building this report page.